Today we got a 69 GTX. I built the engine and transmission for this car. It's got a stock stroke 440 with H-beam rods, flat top pistons, Edelbrock heads done by Dwayne Porter at Porter Racing Heads. It's got a 6-pack and a small, solid flat tappet camshaft. It's got headers. Torque converter is a 3800 PTC. It's got 391 sure grip gears and it runs 1150s at 116. Should go some 40s or maybe some 30s with some tuning. Car's a really fun car to drive. I tuned the 6-pack with an O2 sensor and got those dialed in. This thing cruises clean and lean at mid-13s air fuel going down the highway. It idles in the mid-13s and wide open is in the mid-12s. We also put some LED bulbs in the dash and adjusted the shifter and shift points on this thing. It still shifts automatically.